friends, welcome to today's video. Today's video is my 5-minute Friday. If you're new to my channel, I do these quick makeup tip videos. So 5 minutes or less where I share just one makeup tip that can just kind of help you elevate your makeup game. So as the series progresses, you will have, a library of 5-minute videos to choose from targeting one specific makeup tip. So today, in case you haven't guessed, it's all about the eyes. I don't have my mascara on, I have a simple eye look. I'm going to show you guys how to create what I call a baby wing or a soft winged liner with a pencil liner. So I really think this is a great beginning step to wing liner for beginners. If the thought of liquid liner terrifies you, like let's be real, I think half of us can raise our hand to that. Sometimes it terrifies me. It depends on how much coffee I've had and how shaky I am. A kohl pencil can be a great alternative to achieve that same look in an easier way. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to zoom the camera in closer so you can really see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so we are very up close and personal. What you want to make sure you have are just two things. You want to make sure you have a soft, waxy, kohl-like pencil. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide on pencil. I love these. And then you want to make sure that you have a small, precise, angled brush. So I have two here to show you. One is smaller than the other. The smaller one is the Sigma. I forget the number. I will have it down. Actually, why do I forget the number? This is like my favorite liner brush. It's the E06. And then the other one is a little larger and it's by MAC and it's the 208. I'm going to use the Sigma one. I like something as small as I can get it, and this one works really great for me. So next you're going to want to make sure that your pencil is sharpened. Now this was about as sharp as I can get it. It's not that sharp, but it's not flat and dull. You want to have some type of point to it. Then you're just going to line your eyes. So I am gently going to tug on my eye just to make sure that I don't get any skips in this pencil. And then I'm going to create a line on my eye as thin as I can. These pencils tend to be thicker, so you have to be careful that you don't create a too thick of a line. You want to just create a nice thin line on your lash line, but don't take it all the way over. You don't want to follow your lash line entirely so that you go down. You want to stop when you're about, I don't know, a little more than 3/4 of the way over. So I'm stopping right there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this end of my line a little thicker. And I'm kind of tugging my skin so that I create that line to pull out. If I were to let go, then I would follow my lash line, just go down. I want to pull that line out a little bit. And I'm not actually creating the wing. What I'm doing is I'm just creating a thicker line on the outer corner. Do you see that? Next, you're going to take your angled brush and you're just going to manipulate that makeup before it has time to set. So I am just going to kind of go over the entire line just to smooth everything out. And then when I get out here to the outer corner, that is where I'm going to pull that liner out with my angled brush and create that wing. Now, because this pencil is soft and waxy, that's the key. You need something that is soft and waxy that you have time to move and spread. If you use a pencil that's not waxy, you're not going to be able to do this. You need something that'll allow you time to move and manipulate it. And you can see how you create the wing. Now, one step you can do to ensure that the eyeliner stays set, and you can also manipulate it a little bit more. Let's say you've taken too much time and you're finding that it's almost already set and you can't really move it. Just go in with a dark eyeshadow and go on top of that line. And then you can kind of create that wing with the shadow. There you have it. I'm going to go do the other eye and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, that wraps up this video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and this trick helpful. If you've been scared to approach the wing liner, or maybe you think it's too dramatic and you wanted a softer approach, I really hope you give this trick a try. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear how it works for you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!